Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to present to you a very interesting product here. We have a massive duffel bag which is called the Zermatt. This model is exceptionally large. It is 152 liters volume for only 2.7 kilos of weight. So super lightweight yet very voluminous. You can actually use it even when it's fully filled up. It's not too big to use it as a check-in luggage without having to pay any supplement. And it is made in such a way which is quite intelligent. You have a handle on one end and you have two handles on the other end. However, I'm going to show you something. The first thing you might notice is that there is no telescopic handle. The reason why we don't use telescopic handles on this model are three. The first reason is that when you have something so voluminous and so heavy once it's filled up, on a telescopic handle, these handles have a lifespan of between 3 to 12 months before they break. Second reason is you put a telescopic handle, your bag is heavier. Third reason, you put a telescopic handle inside, it's absolutely not necessary. And the reason why is because, as you can see, it's a very tall bag, 80 centimeters tall. And you notice on this end, we have two handles. Why do we have two handles? Well, it's very simple. When you put it down next to your body, you can push it forward and you can comfortably walk along the side with it, whether you're left or right-handed. You can use it on both sides. It's very convenient. So that's the first thing. Second thing, if we look at it, it has several compartments. It's got the main compartment, which is the base one, 2/3, and the top compartment, 1/3. It is held by these restraining straps and of course a zipper. The zipper you can also lock with a simple lock. You can just slip it inside the locking area. Otherwise, here you unclip it. When you open it up, you have a very large zipper, number 12, very resistant. We open it up, you can see two separate compartments, the main compartments and the smaller compartment. Each is absolutely massive. And in between, you have one zipper here. This area is what you call the dirty laundry or the shoe compartment. So you can fit other things inside this area if you don't want to mix them with the rest of the content. You have restraining straps on the bottom part. And then, of course, once you put everything in, you close it up. And if you are traveling at first with a bag that is not fully filled up, well, no worries. What you do is you push the restraining straps to the back side. Once you've done that, you're going to get something a little bit like this effect. So you're going to have 2/3 filled in, 1/3 empty. Perfect for your shopping, bringing back your shopping, or your laundry has gone dirty, then it needs more space. Finally, last but not least, really interesting thing about this bag, as you can see, it's absolutely massive. However, funny enough, when you're going to actually buy it, when you receive it at home, you're going to notice it takes practically no space. So this is an original packaging of it. You can see it's less than 7 centimeters deep. It doesn't take much space. You can easily tuck it away, put it away, very practical. So a wonderful product made out of polyester, brilliant value for money. I think you're going to love it, especially if you need to take loads of voluminous products like heavy clothes, winter clothes, anything that takes up a lot of space. You want to have something really lightweight. Again, I repeat, 2.7 kilos for 150 liters. You're never going to find anything as voluminous. Great value for money. That's it, guys. If you have more interest, if you're looking for any other products, check out our internet site and see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.